So today we're going to be working with place value. Do you know what place value means?
Yeah.
Yes, where you the order of the numbers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is hold up a 100 block for me. Very good. And then I want you to hold up a tens block for me. And then show me a ones block for me. Very good. And then go ahead and put those back in your little piles. And what is the first digit in a number? Is it the tens, the ones, or the hundreds?
Hundreds.
The hundreds. And then the second digit?
Tens.
The tens. And the third digit?
The ones.
The ones. Perfect. So today we're going to break numbers apart, and we're going to start with 3-digit numbers, and we're going to determine the place values of a 3-digit number, okay?
Okay.
So what we're going to do is, this is basically a game. I'm going to put this right, yeah, let's move these around a little bit.
Hey,
Put it right here, okay? And you're going to roll this dice on my phone, and whatever number, whatever number comes up on the dice, you're going to write that, and that's going to be your hundreds number. Then you're going to roll the dice again, and the second number will be your tens number. And then you'll roll it a third time, and that'll be your ones number. After that, you're going to make that number with the blocks and draw it on here. And then we're going to write what number was in the hundreds, what number was in the tens, what number was in the ones. And then we're going to do, have you ever heard of expanded form before?
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do on these little, with these little addition marks over here, okay? So let's go ahead and start with the first one. Do we understand what we're doing?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. You'll have to push it a little bit, like roll it. There you go. So that's a 6. So your first number is going to be a 6.
I already want it.
Perfect. And if you want, we can move this up. Maybe put it right there. Okay, so then push it again. A 4. Perfect. And then oh, we can shake my phone. Another 6. So next time we'll just shake it. Okay, so now we're going to make it. So you can put your marker down real quick. And I want you to use your base 10 blocks and show me what 646 is.
Okay.
So how many 100 blocks are we going to need?
6.
So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. 6. Very good. Then we have 4 tens. So 1. It's okay. Yeah, just put it right here. I'll hold on to this. And then how many ones do we need?
6.
That's right. Those little bitty teeny things, huh? Perfect. So now I want you to draw me a picture of what you just made on here. So you would draw 6. And it's okay if you don't stay in the box, because we can just erase it. Good. Let's finish out these, because this right here shows me 326. So we need to make sure we draw all of them. So how are you going to make it 646?
Put 3 more hundreds. And 2 more of these.
Yeah, you can put it down. Perfect. So that's a lot better. Good job. So then let's go ahead and erase these, and we're gonna do this 4 more times, and maybe on the last one we'll do something a little bit harder, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and erase it. Oh, actually I forgot. Go ahead and erase that. You're right, you can erase that. But leave your 646. Because right here we gotta write out the numbers. So how many hundreds blocks did we have over there?
6.
So write a 6 right there. How many tens blocks tens longs did we have?
4.
That's right. And how many ones?
6.
That's right. Good job. So how would you write that in expanded form?
600 plus 40 plus 6.
Perfect. 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 So then we're going to do another one. We'll fill up this page and then we'll do something different. So let's get our dice back to working. And you can just shake it. That works a lot better. So a 2. And then 6. And then 2. Good. So how would you show me 262? Very good. So can you draw that for me?
Yeah.
Good job. So if we were going to write that like this, how many hundreds are we going to need?
2.
That's right. So there's 2 hundreds. How many tens are there?
6.
Mm-hmm. And how many ones are there?
2.
Good. And can you tell me how that would be in expanded form?
Yeah. 200 plus 60 plus 2.
Very good. Very good. Let's try one more number like that, and then we'll try one that's a little bit harder. How about that?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So then let me get that pulled. There you go. 2. Give it a real good shake. 5. 2. Very good. Oh, that's all you had to do. It's okay. So you just had to move 1. So can you draw that for me? Perfect. And then how would you write it? How many hundreds did we need to make that?
2.
Mm-hmm.
5.
That's right.
And 2.
Perfect. And then how would you write that in expanded form?
200 plus 50 plus 2.
Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to do it backwards, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some base 10 blocks to make a number, or I might write out the expanded form of a number, or I might write out this side of a number, and I want you to tell me what number it is using that.
This?
That. Mm-hmm. We'll actually just move this paper out of the way. And I'll put right here. I'll put it just right here. So you're going to tell me what number it is and put it in this box, okay? Okay. So I'm going to make a number. These little ones are tricky, huh?
Mhm.
Okay. Looking at that, can you tell me how many or what number it is?
320. 325.
Very good. Can you write that for me right there? Can you write over here the expanded form of the number?
Yeah. Oh.
That's all right. Very good. All right, so let's try a different one. I'm going to make this one really hard, okay? So erase yeah, erase good. All right, let me do like this. All right.
Hey! No!
300. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Uh-oh. So what does that mean if you have 11 of the rods?
If it's a 10 of these things, you make it's 100.
Because 10 equals 100, 10
Yeah.
times 10. Good. So we'll go ahead and we'll just put those together and pretend it's a perfect square, just like these, okay? So now we have how many hundreds?
400. 418.
Perfect. And we'll move these off to the side. Can you write the expanded form of that number for me? Very good.